Howdy, folks. Ever get that feeling you're being watched? Or stalked? Or preyed upon? I'm kind of getting that feeling right now. Oh boy. Dark Spectre Design Works. We make it. Today we're going to be going over a Predator biomask build, starting out with a EVA foam framework. I don't like to leave things as foam. I just feel like they're kind of flimsy, and if you hold on to it, they feel light and not like the real thing. So I back it with fiberglass, and then here I went over it with some epoxy sculpt, and then here's the first layer with some wood filler. It's pink and then dries brown like this. Here's with the first coat of sanding. First round of sanding. Sand. That's all you do with props. Sand, and sand some more. I was going for a pretty rough and rugged look with this, so I didn't want it to be perfect, but... And here it is with what I call a sludge coat. I mix wood filler with water and wood glue. You can just paint it on or just use your hands. It's a really good way of filling in any cracks, crevices, and it's non-toxic, no VOCs or anything, which is something I have to worry about here. So ideally you'd probably want to use like a resin, but and here I've also got his laser sight and his little, not sure what it's called, his little connection there. And here's another coat, I keep saying coat. Another round of sanding done. And some battle damage. It's not 100% screen accurate. With my stuff I try to put my own little take on it. I made it a little different, but I think you get the idea of that it's a Predator biomask. And here's the finish shots. Oh, and his eyes are just window screen backed with some EVA foam that I painted silver. The laser sight is, I found some laser sights on Amazon, I think. I'll see if I could find a link in the description for you. Wired them up to a battery box and made the little triangular shaped holder thingamabobber. His little plug on the side is just some PVC and wire loom. The paint is just very simple. Hit it with some silver spray paint. I gave it some black washes along with some brown washes and hit some spots with a little bit of rust color. For rust, a lot of people use raw umber or burnt sienna. Works really well. But if you're going for that like fresher rust look, I like using copper paint mixed with some yellow and or orange. The copper gives it a little bit of metallic fleck to it, and then the yellow and orange just make it a little bit more bolder. Kind of just depends on what you're going for, but I like that look. Oh, and I'm just going through some older projects that I've done that I didn't actually shoot while I was making. I've got a few more of those left, and then I will start filming everything live. So we'll have actual footage of me working on stuff so I can show you how to do some things and such if you're interested. Probably next month or so, I should have a new live, quote-unquote, video up. Here's his laser. I'm going to finish it off with some interesting laser shots here. Yeah, one came out a little bit crooked, but not bad. And I'm just using a vape to give that smoke look. Alrighty, that's about it, folks. Have a fan-freaking-tastic day. Do the YouTube thing if you don't mind. Bye!